Hi, Madison. I'm going to work problems 6, 7, and 8 out for you right here. I'm going to talk to you about them. You may hear our little dog barking. Her name is Jetta. Randy will tell you she likes scream barks. But let's look at problem number 6 right here. It asks us to multiply 9,325 times 5. So I take that 9,325 and I bust it up pretty much. So that's 9,000, then I have 300, then I have 20, and then I have 5. And I'm just multiplying that times 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now say 5, this 5 right here, times each one of my parts on that left-hand side. So 5 times 5 will give me 25. Then I'm going to say 5 times 20, which gives me 100. Then let's see, let me change colors here for you. Then I'm going to say 5 times 300 gives me 1,500. Okay, and then I'm going to say 5 times 9,000 gives me 45,000. Then I'm going to take each one of those. There's my 45,000. Then I have, it looks like I did green. Then there's my 1,500. Then I have my pink. There's my 100. And then I have my 25. And I'm going to take those 4 entries in my boxes and I'm going to add that up, okay? So if you have some graph paper, sometimes it's a lot easier. You can keep your numbers in the boxes and line them up right. So that will give me in the first column on the right, that of course just gives me 5 right there. 0, 0, 0, and 5 gives me 5. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 gives me 2. 0 plus 5 plus 1 gives me 6. 5 plus 1 gives me 6. And then 4 just comes down because there's nothing to add to it, which will give me the answer of 46,625. Okay, and that is problem number 6. Problem number 7 asks us to multiply 6,489 times 39. So once again, we're splitting them up into thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, and then the 39 into tens and ones. So I have 6,489. And you notice I have the pluses in there because if I add 6,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 9, that does give me 6,489. Then I bust up the 39 into 30 and 9. Now I'm going to take each one of the yellow highlights and multiply them times each other. So that means I'm saying 30 times 9, which is 270. Okay, then I can say 30 times 80, which gives me 2,400. Okay, then I can say 30 times 400 gives me 12,000. Then we have 30 times 6,000 gives me, or 30 times 6,000, yes, will give me 180,000. Okay, then you would do the same thing now, but with the 9. So we're going to say, let me switch my colors. 9 times 9, we know that's 81. Okay, then I have 9 times 80, which is going to give me 720. Then I have 9 times 400, which gives me 3,600. And then I will have 9 times 6,000, which is going to give me 54,000. Now I take each one of the numbers in the boxes, okay, and then I'm going to add them together, such as here's my 180,000 plus my 54,000. Then I have the 12,000 plus the 3,600. I have 2,400 plus 720. And then I have my 270 plus 81. When we add all that together, it makes it a lot easier to add up. So I've got all these zeros plus 1, which of course gives me 1. I have a bunch of zeros, and 2 plus 7 is 9, and 9 and 7 is 17. Don't forget to carry that 1. So now I have 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 7 is 18, plus 2 more is 20. So I put my 0 down and carry my 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 2 is 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Carry my 1, and 1 plus 1 gives me 2. Now all I have to do is write that down. That gives me 253,071 as an answer. Okay, on number 8, it asked me to multiply 452 times 35. So we're going to break up that 452 again. There's 400, there's 50, there's 2. Let's break up the 35 into 30 and 5. And now we multiplied the yellows together. Let's see, what do I usually start with? My blue. Okay, so 30 times 2 is 6. And if you want to go ahead and, well, let's do 30 times 2 is 60. I'm sorry, not 6, 60. Then I have, let's see, my pinks. So I have 30 times 50 is 1,500. And then I have 30 times 400 is going to give me 12,000. Okay. Now you've done that whole column, so let's go back and let's do the 5. So 5 times 2 gives me 10. Then I have 5 times 50 will give me 250. And then last but not least, I'm going to say 5 times 400, and that's going to give me 2,000. Now I add up all the things in the box. So I have 12,000, 2,000, plus 1,500, 250, plus 60, plus 10. Now we can add those columns up. All those zeros just make 0. We've got zeros, and then we've got 5 plus 6 is 11, and 1 more is 12. Then I carry that 1, and then I've got 1 plus 5 plus 2 is 8. 2, 2, and 1 gives me 5, and bring down the 1 because he's all by himself. That'll give me 15,820 for number 8.